In this exercise, we will use the change unit command to change the cooler in our project from a shell and tube heat exchanger to a simple heat exchanger. We will also ensure that the process pipes are connected to the primary connections and the cooling water is connected to the secondary connections. So the first thing we have to do is we select the change unit command, and there's two ways we can do this. We can either click on graphics, edit, and then we can click on change unit, or alternatively, we can click on the change unit icon. So if we click on change unit icon, we will then go and select the unit that we actually want to change, which is the cooler here. So if I click on that, it will become magenta, and I'll get this dialog box where I can currently see that it is a shell and tube heat exchanger, and I want to change that to a simple heat exchanger. So if I click on that, and now I can have a look at the connections. If I click on P030, it'll highlight that stream for me in the diagram, and I can see that is the cooling water coming into the cooler. And currently it's connected to the primary input. I want to change it to the secondary input, and I'll do that in this drop-down list. I'll go and select secondary in. And then if I click on P008, it shows me that that's the stream from the leach solution to the cooler, and that's my process pipe, and I want that to be connected to the primary in. So I'll go down here, select that, change it to primary in. And again to the output streams. P031, which I can see is the cooling water out, so I want that to be the secondary out. And P009, which is my process solution going to the thickener, and I want that to be my primary out. So I've now changed the unit to a simple heat exchanger, and I've made sure the connections are as I want them to be. So if I click on OK, I've finished doing that change. It's changed the underlying model and left the graphics as the same as they were previously. If I right-click on that model, you can see that is now a simple heat exchanger.